Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to generate and share your QR code to your friends. How to generate and share your QR code to your friends. The first thing you're going to do is from the home page of your Rednote app, what you do is you click profile icon at the bottom, then you click on this icon here, the share icon here. Once you click on it, which is the last one up here, then you click on my QR code. And this is my QR code, as you can see, and then you can now click on scan to scan or save, and then you can click on share again at the top to share to people. So now click on the friends you want to share it to. So I don't have any friends, of it's not showing over there. So you can also save it and then send it as a picture for them to scan. It's as simple as that. So that is how to generate and share your QR code. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.